Okay, here is the hardware accessories for us to installation the cabinets, and here is the hinge. This is the hinge for the door, and this is the handle for the door. And here, this is a full set 3-in-1 screw, and for us to connect the panel, the connect way like this. This one is for here. This one is for here, and this one is for the filler. And this way we need to focus on this. It needs to be to the front side, to the outside, so that it can put into like this. And then this is for the shelf support. This for the shelf support, like this way. You can just put into the hole, and the shelf will be put on it. And we still have a small accessory for this. This is for the useless hole. You can use these accessories to fill it.
This is rubber on the door panels. 来，跟着我来。For the door panels, we stick it here. 应该就是这里啊。
OK， 然后你就拍4个角，4个角。OK， 然后过来可以了。This is the back panel. You can see this is very thin. So this is the back panel. And for these two, they are the side panel. For this back panel, it will be put into for this groove. It will be put like this. And then here is the bottom panel. This is the bottom panel. And here is the back panel. The back panel groove. Okay lah. And you can see this is the bottom panel. For this side, it should be to the front side, and there have some hole. This is for the bottom side with the two kicker with the adjustable length. OK， 就 OK。然后你就拍一个这个吧。
再拍。
我们对齐了，反正就拍下面那个孔，这样对齐了，这样就行了。你找嘛，你找了我就再放下去。
这样拍就可以了吧？
嗯，
可以了吧？
嗯。
And for this screw, we need to pay attention on this. This is to the front side. And then we need to use the screw machine. OK， 可以暂停了。
嗯。
narrow here to this direction, and this narrow to the bottom. Is it because the panel is here? 3 joint 1. Yeah, to the bottom. And it should put inside like this. And this is outside. Panel is here to the outside. 那个旗子。And then lock it. Lock it.
Okay. And for these 2 holes is for the hinge screw on here. There is 2 holes. 你是不是从上面这边方便一点？先对准。For one hinge, we need to screw at least for 3 screws. 1, 2, 3, or 1, 2, 3 at least. Ah, 然后你就再拍一个就行了。
这个不用拍了吧？没打进去，你出不了力。
然后再告诉他这个是调节。
这个是调节的，
调节什么的？
调节左右的，就是那个门。
This is the hinge cover. You can cover this on the hinge, but before you cover it, you can adjust it by these 2 screws. After you adjust them, then you can cover it like this. And this is the handle. The handle. And this is the screw for the handle. They are packaged together. And here, for these 2, is the door handle hinge. Is for the door handle. And this is the support for the shelf. This side to the top. Because we are adjustable shelf, so here we have so many space for you. You can adjust it by yourself. And for the useless hole, you can use the cover like this.
可以了。